Kate Mosley, and here at Timewise Financial, we want to help you create purposeful wealth for a more meaningful life. Another question we've heard recently is, so what's going to happen if the value of the dollar continues to plummet due to the printing of all this extra money? Now, first, there is a level of support to prevent the United States dollar from plummeting too far. And I know that there are fears that rising inflation is going to continue to shrink the dollar, as are the expectations that the Fed's going to keep interest rates near zero for the foreseeable future, despite inflation concerns. And both inflation and historically low interest rates lower the value of currency over time. And this isn't something that's just recently happened or just suddenly started this year. The value of the US dollar began to decline around the time that the Fed began to really flood the financial markets with money. So what can we expect in the near future? The dollar is in such high demand globally that any drop would quickly be taken advantage of, pushing that value back up again. And the only thing that would change this is that if foreign investors decided that they didn't like dollars anymore and they preferred another currency, and which based, how entrenched the United States dollar is in global business, that seems pretty improbable. However, the Fed isn't going to raise rates anytime in the near future, and the value of the dollar is expected to continue to decline. Matt Atwood, our investment strategist, loves to use this analogy, and I like it a lot too. Think of our economy as a campfire, and interest rates are like water. So a slow burning fire is a really good way to keep us all warm and toasty, right? But if that fire starts burning out of control with inflation, we're going to have to throw some water on it to stop it from becoming a forest fire. So until the Feds decide to start dousing that flame with raising rates, our campfire is going to continue to burn for a little bit. So is there a silver lining? Well, kind of. Investors in major blue chip multinational companies are salivating at the prospect of a weaker dollar. Companies like Apple and Microsoft and Coca-Cola and others that generate a big chunk of the revenue overseas should get a boost out of this, as well as the emerging markets sector. And having a well-diversified global portfolio is one way to make sure that you can participate in any potential boost in emerging markets. As U.S. goods become cheaper relative to the other country's currency, it will become more attractive to export U.S. goods, and that'll result in U.S. economic growth that would further attract foreign investors to the United States, which would in turn strengthen the dollar out of supply and demand. We're continuing to monitor this area, and if you have any questions about your portfolio, please give our office a call. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, you should check out our website blog for more videos like this.